Oh hi! Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn something about the difference between task and thread in C#. You are interested? Wonderful! Give me just a moment to drive to the office. There we will start. There we are. So let's start with our topic for today. What is the difference between task and thread in C#? For this, let's switch to our magic board and zoom in to read it better. Now it's better. In C#, both task and thread are used for concurrent programming, but they have significant differences in terms of abstraction, management, and use cases. Here are the key distinctions between task and thread. Abstraction level. Threads are a lower-level construct that directly represents an operating system thread. They provide a basic unit of execution in a process. Tasks are a higher-level abstraction provided by the Task Parallel Library, TPL. They abstract away the low-level details of managing threads and provide a more convenient way to perform asynchronous and parallel operations. Ease of use. Threads require more manual management, such as starting, stopping, and synchronizing. Developers need to deal with thread synchronization mechanisms like locks and monitors. Tasks provide a higher-level abstraction, making it easier to work with asynchronous and parallel programming. The async/await keywords simplify the code and make it more readable. The TPL handles the underlying thread management. Performance considerations. Creating and managing threads can have higher overhead due to the direct interaction with the operating system. For CPU-bound tasks, threads might be suitable. Tasks use a thread pool managed by the TPL. Task scheduling is more efficient, especially for I/O-bound and short-lived operations. Tasks are better suited for parallelism and asynchronous operations. Error handling. Exception handling in threads can be more challenging, as unhandled exceptions can terminate the entire process. Tasks provide better error handling through the task exception property and the await keyword. Exceptions are propagated back to the calling code more seamlessly. Cancellation and continuation. Cancellation and continuation in threads require manual implementation using flags or other mechanisms. Tasks have built-in support for cancellation through the cancellation token and support for continuation tasks, which makes it easier to handle asynchronous operations. Parallelism versus concurrency. Threads are suitable for parallelism, allowing multiple tasks to be executed simultaneously. Tasks are designed for both parallelism and concurrency. They can represent parallel work but are also well suited for managing asynchronous operations, especially in UI applications. In summary, while both task and thread can be used for concurrent programming in C#, task is generally preferred in modern C# development due to its higher-level abstractions, better manageability, and improved support for asynchronous and parallel operations. Use thread when you need low-level control or in specific scenarios where its characteristics are more suitable. If you want more in this or any other direction, just let me know in the comments. Feel free to check out other content on my channel. Have a nice and perfect day.